Hello, Sarah Barton here at Angel Cuddle Trails and Angel Cuddle Cafe. Now today in the weekly tip I would like to talk about time, and time being now, the only time being now. The past, no. Future, no. The only time we're living is now. Now when we do, for example, with the muscle testing, maybe you've had past life trauma that's affecting decisions that you're making now, the way you're living now. Maybe you're being held back by what happened with that past life trauma. Well, in fact, it's not past, it's now. Now, I'm not a scientist, but quantum physics tells us that time is circular. It's not linear as we tend to look at it. It's circular. So to simplify it, but because my mind wants to understand how I can clear a past life trauma now. So the way I look at it is, you have this bubble, this infinite bubble, which is source, say. But it's time. Time is in this infinite bubble, and inside that infinite bubble there are lots of smaller bubbles, each of them infinite too, but they're within that source realm, as it were, of the bubble. And you and I are each in each one of those bubbles. So the bubbles are there all together. So if you have, say, a past life trauma, and you muscle test on it, get the answers to your questions, and are then able to clear now, we clear in this moment, the only moment that exists now, you are clearing it in all of the other bubbles. So it's a continuous thing. It just, all the bubbles are there within the source realm, and so all of the time is going on at the same time. So you can clear something that you see as being in the past, maybe in your childhood, or even in a past life, as I said. So it is now, all the bubbles are there, and you are clearing in all the continuum. And if I look hot, it's because it is really hot. So we can clear now, and it's clearing in all of those bubbles. So that's my simple way of understanding it, feeling comfortable in my mind with this phenomena. So when I do muscle testing, or when I go to do the physical Angel Cuddle Trails, I go to the sacred sites, the energy portals, and I send out energy transmissions from those portals, and then I share them with you at a later date. Well, it's not. It's actually now, because that bubble is in with all the other bubbles in the infinite bubble of source, and there we are. So the energy is as strong when I make recordings of healings, and I and then share those recordings with you. the energy is there. It's still as strong because it's in that bubble along with all the other bubbles in that big bubble. So that's my simplicity for you. That's how I help myself and help others to see it. Before I mount, I will say goodbye for now, I think. So if you want to see the videos, I've put a number of videos on Angel Cuddle Trails at the energy portals. That's at Sarah with a H -Barton.com. You can see various ones. I'm going to put one today as well, along with this weekly tip. That will be at Avebury, an energy transmission from Avebury, and there are various others from different parts, from mainly from England, but I think I may have already done the French. Yes, I have done some French as well. So I would love you and leave you with that time bubble. So, sending you much love now and forever, infinitely, bubble to bubble. Angel Cuddles, love and light, namaste. I can't find my thing. Here we are. I'll switch it off.